Kitchen tips that moms don't know. 1. When scrambling eggs, pour it into the lid of the pot. You can scramble the other side of the egg. 2. Egg yolks can be easily sucked out with an empty bottle. A suck of egg yolks is easily separated. 3. Dip the spoon in flour and fry it. You will have delicious noodles. 4. The eggshell is not easy to clean in the egg liquid. I will teach you a trick today. Dip your finger in water and put it in the egg wash. The eggshell comes out with a click. 5. Cut off the bottle head for it. Lift a hole in the middle. Convenient spoon leaching. The balls made in this way are easy and not sticky. The balls made with this are fast and round. 6. Do not soak frozen meat directly in boiling water. Add 99 grains of salt and 20 milliliters of white vinegar. Pour on warm water and soak for 3 minutes. The meat thawed in this way tastes better than the newly bought one. 7. Pour the egg liquid into a spoon. Heat it on fire. Put some filling in it. The delicious steamed dumplings are ready. 8. When the water boils, iron the spoon first. Oil evenly. Beat an egg with your right hand and keep it still until protein coagulates. Gently submerged in water. Round and tender poached eggs completed. 9. What should I do with the oil left over from frying at home? A spoonful of starch and a spoonful of water. Stir well. Fried in a pan at 60% oil temperature. Let the starch fully absorb impurities in the oil. The impurity starch can be solidified and removed. Check if the oil has become clear. 10. Cut the garlic horizontally. Turn it over and pat the garlic with a knife and it will come out. 11. The shrimp shell and shrimp line can be easily removed with a fork. 12. The rice is cooked into porridge. Put a slice of bread on it. Heat for another 2 minutes. The moisture is sucked dry by the bread slices. Follow me to learn more practical tips.